This summer I went to United States and I was super excited and I was super happy after coming from there, and I have taken hundreds and thousands of pictures and videos. Like 128 GB of storage was full just by taking videos and photos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all of those photos, few of those in Fort Collins. Okay, in specific, if you want like this more, let me know. I'm also going to be sharing those. Again, these are my beautiful memories which I had in Fort Collins, Colorado. So hope you have liked today's video. All of these clips which you can see and the pictures you will see now are taken by me, and couple of them, few amongst those are taken from online. That increases the beauty of today's video. So hope you have liked today's video, and without any further ado, let's get started.